So the setup that helped us with the wet weather, Waco had that stretch of 8 straight days at 100 plus. That ended on July 3rd. July 4th, we started introducing rain chances that lasted really all the way up till Thursday, even Friday in our northern areas. And now that's going away and we're not looking at a wet stretch. And that was because we had ridge of high pressure, area of high pressure off towards the north. You get the clockwise flow around it. And since it was so far north, it was really pulling in even more Gulf moisture than we typically see. And on the southern periphery of that, we had disturbances moving in, which usually they come from the west, but this time they were coming from the east, and we just had one after the other just training through the area. Well, now that that high pressure has slowly moved further to the south, it's really falling apart here. It's kind of closed off our deeper moisture. We're still very humid outside, and it's kind of pushed it a little bit further to the south, and we're not really going to see those disturbances moving through. Now, it showed you high pressure just the last couple of days. It was a little bit further north over the mid-Mississippi River Valley. Not a cloud underneath it. This one starting to weaken a little bit. You call this a dirty high because it's still able to produce some clouds, and scattered showers are able to develop underneath it. It's going to be moving over us and building over us starting even more so Monday through next week. A lot of sunshine. Really going to jack those temperatures up. 97 right now in Temple, some scattered clouds. Feels like 100 because you got dew points in the 60s. I'll always point that out to you so you can get used to seeing when the dew point gets above 60, it gets muggy, gets into the 70s, which it was last week, really becomes tropical outside. 97 in Waco, 99 is what it feels like. Again, Waco, third straight day. I think you're going to be able to break your streak of 8 that we've already had this year. You're going to have a great shot at going past that. That was the hottest stretch then. We're definitely looking at the hottest stretch coming up here in the next couple of days. Going overnight tonight, we'll see the rain, scattered showers that are out there. Those will dissipate with the loss of daytime heating. Overall, I'm going to call it mostly clear tonight. Some scattered clouds first thing in the morning, and overall will be mostly sunny tomorrow. You see some green popping up on there. I think we'll see some scattered clouds develop in the afternoon a little bit, but best chance for a shower, I'd put it out to the northwest areas and off towards the southeast as well, with the majority of us certainly staying dry. Temperatures in the upper 70s tonight, mostly clear with some scattered clouds. Highs tomorrow, upper 90s to as high as 102. Waco's consistently been one of the hottest locations in Central Texas all summer long. I don't see that stopping. As we go here, looking at the 7-day forecast, I have the little thermometers on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Why? Because those could be some record-breaking days. Each one of those days is going to be within 1 to 2 degrees of the record high and will not be out of the question of breaking those. Regardless, upper 90s and triple digits for Central Texas. We are really ramping into heat. Waco right now has seen more 100-degree days than anyone else in Central Texas. They have a tally, including today, of 16. This time last year, Imani, you know how many they had?
How many?
1.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
I saw looking across, it was all hundreds, and I feel like I need to purchase one of those little like sweat headbands to get by.
We all do.
How are we supposed to get by in these conditions?
And be as pretty as we are? It's impossible.
You make it look easy.